Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. In today's video, we will discuss how to set up MECO WiFi Range Extender using the WPS push button. This is the easiest method to set up the extender within 2 minutes without any username or password. If you're looking for the best extender that gives you the perfect Wi-Fi range coverage, then this video is specially made up for you. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. I hope in the end, this video will prove helpful for you. First of all, connect the MECOExtender to a power socket near your main Wi-Fi router. Wait until the power LED becomes stable. On your main Wi-Fi router, find the WPS button. It may be labeled WPS or have a small 2-arrow or lock icon. This button allows the router to automatically share its Wi-Fi credentials with the extender. Press and hold the WPS button on your router for about 2 to 3 seconds. The WPS LED on the router will start blinking, meaning it's ready to connect. Within 2 minutes of pressing the router's WPS button, press and hold the WPS button on your MECOExtender for 2 to 3 seconds. The WPS LED on the extender will start flashing, showing it's trying to connect to the router. After about 30 to 60 seconds, the extender will connect to the router automatically. Once connected, the signal/Wi-Fi LED on the extender should turn solid, green or blue, depending on the model. After setup, unplug the extender and move it to a location about halfway between your router and the weak signal area. Make sure it's still within range of your router's Wi-Fi. Look for the new extended Wi-Fi network, usually your home Wi-Fi name with _ext at the end, e.g., home Wi-Fi _ext. Use the same Wi-Fi password as your main router. Connect your phone, laptop, or smart devices to enjoy boosted coverage. Done. Your MECO Wi-Fi Range Extender is now set up via WPS without needing to log in or manually enter settings. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.